When a supporter submits a fundraiser, it does not go live on its own. It lands in a queue, and you decide what happens next. In WordPress, open ambassadors, then moderation. 6 submissions are waiting here. Every row gives you what you need to judge it: who submitted it, which campaign it belongs to, the goal they set, and when it arrived. The parent column is the one to watch. A submission with a parent campaign is an ambassador. The money they raise rolls up to your campaign. A submission with no parent is still a creator, but it is not an ambassador. Above the table, 5 views split the queue up. Pending is waiting on you. Awaiting verification is waiting on them. The creator has not confirmed their email yet, so it cannot be approved at all. Action required holds the ones you sent back for changes, then rejected and approved. Before you decide anything, read the submission. View opens their page as a donor would see it. Edit opens the whole fundraiser in the campaign editor. And history is the audit trail for that submission. Every decision, every resubmission, and who did it. Approve is the action you will use most. It publishes the fundraiser and makes it visible to donors. Watch the checkbox. Leave it ticked, and the creator gets an email telling them they are live. Untick it, and the button becomes Approve silently, which is what you want when you are clearing a backlog nobody is waiting on. Approve, and it is live. For the next 30 seconds, you also get an undo, so a misclick is not permanent. The submission leaves pending and lands in approved, where the goal column starts tracking what they actually raise. Rejecting works differently. It asks you for a reason. Whatever you type here is sent to the creator in their email, so write something they can actually act on. Confirm, and the submission moves straight out of pending and into rejected. Most of the time, though, request changes is the better answer. You describe what needs fixing, they get an email, and the submission moves to action required, where they can revise it and send it back. And when a batch lands at once, tick the rows and use bulk actions. Approve, reject, or request changes across all of them together. Find more Charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.